Trying to save an image or video from Discord but nothing happens. Media saving issues can appear for several reasons. So let's go to see how to fix the problem of media saving on Discord. The first thing you have to do is to go to this application of Discord. Then in this page you will go to this sign of your profile. You will tap here. After that you will move to settings, so you will tap on your settings. Here in this page of settings you will scrolling down until you find this page of chat, so you click on chat, and then here what you will find is this feature of camera uploads. You will find it save to device, so you will tap to enable this feature. So please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe.